raccoon out during the day?
I bet it has rabies.
Hey now, take a step outside and seize the day now.
Hey, good morning. So something new happened here yesterday that we never had happened before. Now, being that we live near the woods in the back of us, we've had alligators across the street. We've had snakes come up and kind of chase us through the yard. We've seen possums. But yesterday in the middle of the day, a raccoon came out and he was sort of wandering around in circles, falling over, falling asleep, right in the backyard, right in the middle of the day. And he did that for several hours. Went to our yard, the neighbor's yard over there. And then finally in the early afternoon, he kind of went back into the woods in that direction over here, kind of right behind where the flooding still is. So our management company was kind enough to send out a animal control person who set up a trap. To me, the raccoon was obviously sick. He looked very old, but he was definitely sick the way he was wobbling and falling over. So they set up a trap. I'm going to show you that. It's right over here. So this is a raccoon trap. It looks like they use some sort of Danish or something as the food. And then I guess he'll crawl through here and end up getting trapped. So we'll keep a watch on it, and if anything goes in there, we'll take a picture of it, show you what it is. All right. Otherwise, it's a beautiful day. It's 60 degrees, so Sue and I were heading down to the beach. The sun was out and we took our usual 4 to 5 mile walk.
It's a beautiful day for a walk.
It really is. All right, so it's the next day. Let's walk around the back and see what the trap caught. Well, take a look at this. The food is gone. The trap is sprung. The trap's been moved about 3 or 4 feet from where it was sitting. So something got the food, sprung the trap, and somehow escaped. And moved the trap also. So it looks like we have some kind of Houdini animal who can take the food, spring the trap, move the trap, and then escape. Not sure what could do this. If you know what could do this, put a comment below. But I'm going to put a call into the animal trapper and have him come out and take a look, see what he thinks. So the trapper came out, again, to try to catch what we believe is a raccoon with rabies, the way he was acting 2 days ago. And he said the raccoons are pretty smart. So he says what he did is he rolled the cage over. That's why it was moved. And that allowed the gate to open, allowed him to get out. So he has a way to stop that. Let me show you. So what he did was drive a stake into the trap. And this way it'd be harder or impossible to roll it over. And of course put bait in again. And then we'll see what happens tonight. Hey, good morning. It's a beautiful day here again. It's going to be in the 60s. And let's go out and check the trap and see if anything was caught overnight. So it looks like it's the possum, not the sick raccoon that we think has rabies. All right, so I spoke to the trapper, and they're going to come by and let the possum go. And since we haven't seen the raccoon for several days, they're going to take the trap away, and we're just going to call them if we see the sick-looking raccoon during the day come back. So in the meantime, as I said, it's going to be in the 60s today, and we're still at the end of February. So how about we'll give you guys a look at the update on the pier down at Surfside Beach. As you know, we did a video before about the construction of a new pier, which is going to be concrete. So we're going to go down there today, take a walk, and see what's going on there and see how the pier is coming along. Okay. All right, we'll be going there a little bit later today. Okay, so we're here in Surfside Beach, and we're going to walk up and take a look at where the construction is for the new pier and see what's going on. Beautiful day, isn't it?
It's gorgeous.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
So what we don't understand is every time we go up to the Surfside Beach Pier to check the progress, nothing much seems to be going on. So we moved in to get a closer look. And what we found were just two guys working on this $14 million pier. But at least they have a crane to help them. Now right next door to the pier construction is the River City Cafe. We continue to avoid indoor dining, and this place has a nice deck overlooking the ocean. Not to mention some of the best burgers on the beach. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up. Until next time, safe travels.